Padre Pio, a lot of people have misconceptions that we help homeless. It's a very small percentage of homeless. We're actually helping families that are in need. They're just going through some financial difficulties. So we help with food, clothes, any type of prescription assistance, and anything that might be part of financial struggling.
How do you see your life being different if you hadn't found Catholic Charities?
Struggling. Yeah, struggle. It's a struggle now, but it's good when they can assist you. Mm-hmm. Especially with a smile.
Well, right now, these last 2 months, there would be very, very little food.
In a real bind. May have had to leave the state to go with family. Didn't want to do that.
We treat our clients as if they're Christ himself walking in here. So, and that's the way I want the clients to know that they are respected, they're loved, and that we want to try to take care of them through God's mercy and grace.